Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to use Paysafecard on PS4. Follow these instructions and you will be able to use Paysafecard on PS4. Step 1. Check if Paysafecard is supported in your region. Paysafecard is not directly available as a payment option on the PlayStation Store in all countries. To check, visit the PlayStation Store and go to the Payment Methods section. If Paysafecard is not listed, don't worry. You can still use it by buying a PlayStation Store gift card. Then go to the PlayStation Store on your PS4. Select the item you want to purchase and click and add to cart. Go to checkout and select Paysafecard as the payment method. Enter the Paysafecard 16-digit PIN code when prompted and confirm the payment. If Paysafecard is available in your region, your purchase is now complete. Step 3. Buying a PlayStation gift card with Paysafecard. If your PlayStation Store doesn't accept Paysafecard directly, you can still use it by purchasing a PlayStation Store gift card from a third-party retailer. Go to an online store that sells PlayStation Store gift cards and accept Paysafecard. Choose the gift card amount. Select Paysafecard as the payment method and enter your Paysafecard PIN to complete the purchase. After purchase, you will receive a digital code for the PlayStation gift card. On your PS4, go to the PlayStation Store, scroll down and select Redeem Codes. Enter the gift card code you received from the retailer. The amount will be added to your PlayStation wallet. Now you can use balance to buy games, subscription or in-game setting. And that's it. That's how you can use Paysafecard on PS4.